5 fish that can survive out of water. Number 1. Mudskippers. Mudskippers have the ability to breathe through their skin and the lining of their mouth and throat. This is only possible when the mudskippers are wet, limiting them to humid habitats, and requiring that they keep themselves moist. This mode of breathing, similar to that employed by amphibians, is known as cutaneous respiration. Another important adaptation that aids breathing while out of water is their enlarged gill chambers, where they retain a bubble of air. These chambers close tightly when the fish is above water, due to a ventromedial valve of the gill slit, keeping the gills moist, and allowing them to function while exposed to air. Gill filaments are stiff and do not coalesce when out of water. Number 2. Lungfish. Lungfish are omnivorous, feeding on fish, insects, crustaceans, worms, mollusks, amphibians and plant matter. They have an intestinal spiral valve rather than a true stomach. African and South American lungfish are capable of surviving seasonal drying out of their habitats by burrowing into mud and hibernating throughout the dry season. Changes in physiology allow it to slow its metabolism to as little as 1/60th of the normal metabolic rate, and protein waste is converted from ammonia to less toxic urea. Normally, lungfish excrete nitrogenous waste, as ammonia, directly into the water. Number 3. Salon snakehead. Salon snakehead are predatory fish that feed on plankton, insects, and sometimes small amphibians. They can breathe on land for short periods of time because they have accessory respiratory organs through which they can use atmospheric oxygen to breathe. During wet weather, they can survive on land for more than 4 days, but if their bodies dry up, they die because it becomes difficult for them to exchange atmospheric oxygen. Number 4. European eel. The European eel is a species of eel, a snake-like, catadromous fish. They are normally around 2 feet to 2 feet 6 inches but can reach a length of up to 4 feet 11 inches long, in exceptional cases. Eels have been important sources of food both as adults, including the famous jellied eels of East London, and as glass eels. Glass eel fishing using basket traps has been of significant economic value in many river estuaries on the western seaboard of Europe. Number 5. Northern snakehead. The northern snakehead is a species of snakehead fish native to China, Russia, North Korea, and South Korea. It has been introduced to other regions, where it is considered invasive. In Europe, the first report of the species was from Czechoslovakia in 1956. In the United States, the fish is considered to be a highly invasive species. The northern snakehead respiratory system allows it to live outside of water for several days. It can wriggle its way to other bodies of water or survive being transported by humans. Only the young of this species, not adults, may be able to move overland for short distances, using wriggling motions. The preferred habitats of this species are stagnant water with mud substrate, and aquatic vegetation, or slow, muddy streams. It is known to eat crustaceans, other invertebrates, and amphibians. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. If this video was informative to you,